while I'm calmly holding out for the Samsung Z Fold 8 next year. The Z Fold 7 brings plenty of wow factor, but with major refinements expected for the upcoming Z Fold 8, waiting could be the smarter decision. Samsung's newest Galaxy Z Fold 7 is an excellent book-style foldable that addresses many of the long-lasting complaints troubling the Fold lineup for years. I spent a weekend using the handset and was stunned by how much its lighter frame and thinner profile made it resemble an ordinary slab phone when closed. The cover screen is broader and more practical. The interior panel measures 8 inches, and the fresh 200MP camera sensor ensures photos aren't a huge compromise this time. As much progress as it's made, the Fold 7 still carries clear shortcomings, and the leaks are already buzzing with convincing arguments for why holding out for the Galaxy Z Fold 8 could be the clever call. Samsung itself somewhat weakened the Z Fold 7 by removing S Pen capability and keeping the same battery size. Here are several reasons why I think the Z Fold 8, once launched, will be the ultimate pick. 1. A truly crease-free screen. Foldables have long been plagued by one major drawback: a visible, often unsightly crease down the center of the display. Yes, it has improved massively across generations, but it's never been erased fully. That may change with the Z Fold 8, according to well-known supply chain analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, who predicts Samsung's next foldable will use laser-etched metal plates beneath the panel to practically eliminate the fold line. They managed this, according to documents, by redistributing folding stress so the screen bends without leaving a permanent scar. Kuo also believes Apple plans to adopt this same method in its secret foldable iPhone expected around late 2026. And as we know, once Apple embraces something, the industry quickly follows. Samsung, in this case, couldn't risk shipping a Z Fold 8 with a noticeable line against a flawless Apple foldable. I've grown used to the crease as part of owning the newest and best tech, but removing it would be a huge milestone, pushing foldables closer to mass adoption by everyday consumers. 2. The battery requires attention. In terms of stamina and charging, the Z Fold range has been stuck in a rut with its 4,400 mAh cell unchanged since the Z Fold 3. Meanwhile, rivals such as Honor's Magic V5 and Oppo's Fine Line are nearing the 6,000 mAh range using cutting-edge silicon carbon battery innovation. Samsung has yet to dive in here, though executives admit they're developing it. At Galaxy Unpacked, Samsung's head of smartphone strategy, Min-Suk Kong, confirmed that the firm is testing this technology and will implement it once reliability meets their standards. Samsung surely knows its battery size is overdue for an increase. Therefore, it's quite plausible we'll see this advancement with the Z Fold 8 next year. Beyond that, the Fold's wired charging tops at 25W, which is sluggish compared to modern flagships, taking nearly 90 minutes to recharge fully. Magic V5 supports 66W fast charging, and Oppo Find stretches it to 80W. True, Chinese foldables usually push boundaries harder than US releases, but even Motorola's new Razr Ultra reaches 68W charging, filling in about 40 minutes. The Z Fold 8 has much to improve here, and it's about time. 3. The return of the S Pen. A big talking point with the Z Fold 7 was the exclusion of Samsung's S Pen. In its quest for a thinner, lighter foldable, Samsung stripped out the digitizer layer necessary to support the stylus. But power users who love the S Pen remain a loyal niche Samsung has built up for years, so it's doubtful the company wants to abandon them entirely. Encouragingly, Samsung has hinted at bringing it back on a future fold. Kong mentioned they are researching slimmer, innovative technologies for the S Pen as Samsung revisits the feature for upcoming models. Perhaps we'll see a thinner digitizer, a redesigned S Pen, or maybe even a built-in slot. It's wishful thinking, but the Fold 8 could be the one. Samsung has listened to the feedback, and that may lead to restoring a unique advantage in the foldable category. 4. Next-gen performance with a 2nm chip. The Z Fold 7 already packs Qualcomm's newest Snapdragon 8 Elite series processor with a Galaxy-exclusive overclock, but the Fold 8 could go further with a jump to a 2nm fabrication process. Reports from Korea suggest Qualcomm is working with Samsung Foundry to craft a Galaxy-specific Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 on Samsung's 2nm tech. The goal is that by late 2025 or early 2026, Samsung fabs will be ready to produce these chips, just in time for a Galaxy Z Fold 8 launch. This would make it one of the earliest smartphones built on 2nm, delivering stronger performance, higher efficiency, and lower heat. Considering Samsung's focus on keeping the Fold slim, reduced heat is a valuable gain. This step would easily surpass the Fold 7's 3nm processor while also handing Samsung an edge over rivals, potentially even Apple's future foldable. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 proves Samsung can create a foldable that feels like a daily driver. I admire Samsung's steady refinement of the design and its success at offering the most polished book-style foldable to the global market. Yet all signs suggest groundbreaking leaps await those who wait slightly longer for the next model. Personally, I'll be watching closely, since the Z Fold Mate 8 finally erased one of the biggest flaws of foldables. Samsung has rolled out the Z Fold 7 with a lighter, thinner body than before. But one quick open revealed the stubborn crease still remains. Thankfully, news points to a crease-free screen on the horizon. Analyst Ming-Chi Kuo has said the Z Fold 8 will employ laser-drilled support plates to rival Apple's foldable display tech. If true, this would end a problem persisting since the first Galaxy Fold in 2019. Later foldables have reduced the crease, but none eliminated it. It's also unclear if the Galaxy Z Flip 8 will adopt the same plates, but it could. Either way, the prospect of wiping out the crease is great news. 5. Enhanced S Pen productivity. The Fold 8 is tipped to revive the S Pen, missing from recent models. Samsung is reportedly building a thinner, passive S Pen that no longer needs a digitizer layer. This could make the stylus more compact and easier to fit into the folding design while retaining elegance. For users, that means a smoother blend of productivity and creativity. Whether sketching, annotating, or editing, the Fold 8 could be a capable tool for both work and play. Deeper S Pen support could also resonate with people who demand accuracy and speed in their tasks. On cameras, the Fold 8 might borrow tech from the S26 Ultra, such as high-resolution lenses and advanced image processing. These upgrades would make the Fold 8 versatile for photography and video, producing striking results in different conditions. From casual users to professionals, the Fold 8's cameras may rival any flagship phone, from a lightweight carbon fiber chassis to a crease-free Montflex screen and improved hinge. Every element seems designed for a better user journey. The return of the S Pen plus upgraded battery and camera features only boost its appeal, making it highly attractive for anyone seeking a flexible yet powerful device. If these leaks prove accurate, the Fold 8 could reset standards for foldable handsets, setting the stage for the future of mobile technology. And that wraps up today's video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates and tech news.